Hi everyone, thanks for joining us with the PO.DAAC 101 series on the PO.DAAC web portal navigation tutorial. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to navigate the basic framework of the PO.DAAC web pages to find PO.DAAC data and other resources. First, let's go to PO.DAAC website at https://podaac.jpl.nasa.gov. Now let's move to the dataset discovery on the menu item. Go to the parameters item. The drop-down list shows the available parameters, such as ocean temperature or sea surface topography. The number next to a parameter refers to its total number of datasets. The latency item shows three types of categories, such as near real-time, delayed mode, and non-active. The collections list available dataset aggregations, such as GRIST sea surface temperature datasets. Platform lists the satellite mission platforms. Sensor lists the instruments on the platforms. Spatial coverage lists various regions around the globe. Now the Data Access menu item shows the list of available tools to access datasets such as OpenDAAC, Web Services, SOTO, or HiTide. Measurements provide a general overview of the major parameters supported by PO.DAAC. Now let's check out the missions item. It lists the mission data distributed by PO.DAAC. Click on Aquarius to see its information page. This page includes the mission description, news, and announcements. On the right side of the page, there are data access links, list of tools, documentation, and references. The multimedia item shows interesting ocean stories, dataset highlights, and ocean animations. The community item includes information on outreach activities, meetings, announcements, and other information. Now we will show you the PO.DAAC forum. The forum is divided into multiple categories, such as general questions, FAQs, announcements, and parameters. Click on the Data Recipes category, which has subcategories such as data format, data access, visualization, numerical analysis, and others. Scroll down the page. Here is the list of existing posts and contributions from the community. Now let's work on a specific example of dataset discovery for salinity. Go back to the home page and select the search item as shown here. The right side shows the search categories such as parameter, latency, collections, etc. Click on salinity density in the parameter category, and there is the salinity search facet page. There are a total of 68 datasets found. Let's start from the Processing Levels category and select Level 3 in the Processing Levels. There are 49 matching datasets left. The temporal resolution lists daily, weekly, and monthly options. Click on Weekly to search for weekly datasets. In the Platform category, click on SMAP Satellite. Click on the first dataset to go to its information page. Go to the Dataset Access tab. This lists the various access tools and services such as OpenDAAC, Threads, and LAS, and read software such as R, IDL, and MATLAB. The Documentation tab lists the available validation documentation and related publications. The Citation tab provides the dataset citation and reference. The Granule Listing tab shows all the available data files. Click on 2015, then click on June to see all the granules in June 2015. The free text search field is another way to find datasets on PO.DAAC. Let's click on the question mark on the top right side of the web portal. The search page lists all the searchable fields and dataset search tips. Type GRIST to search for all GRIST datasets, and then type +L2P keywords to include both GRIST and Level 2P, and hit Enter. There are a total of 53 datasets found. Now go back to the search field and type GRIST and then -L2P keywords to exclude Level 2P and hit Enter. There are a total of 83 datasets found. Go back to the free text search field and toggle from Data to Website. This now allows you to search for the website contents at PO.DAAC. Type GRIST in the search field and hit Enter. You should now see a list of various announcements and information regarding the GRIST dataset that do not include the dataset information pages. Thanks for watching PO.DAAC 101.